website, you can see a virtual tour.
Hello, current and future Houstonians. We're so grateful you have joined us today. We're going to show you in this video some of the hottest new developments happening in real estate in Houston. You're going to want to stick around. There's a lot of innovations, a lot of new things happening here. So you're definitely going to stick around, whether you're an investor or you're potentially thinking of moving here. There's a lot happening in Houston right now.
So first on our list is the exquisite Hanover Autry Park, where luxury meets lifestyle. From state-of-the-art residences to lush green spaces, this development is redefining urban living. Let's explore what makes Hanover Autry Park the epitome of modern sophistication. So this is all in their website. You can see a virtual tour. You can also see on the right side, they have the pictures of the different areas, the 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms. So we can check some of those out for sure. Okay, they have the floor plan. This is for the 1 bedroom. You can see it from different angles. The bathroom. You can see now the 2 bedrooms. They have the kitchen, a nice space, a balcony, and they also have a 3 bedroom. So you can check each of those out. They have different options for each of the 1, 2, and 3 bedrooms. You can see here they actually have it disclosed: hallway, study, bathrooms, bedrooms, dining area, primary suite. The primary suite also has an ensuite bathroom. So yeah, it's pretty complete on their website. If you want to first see it there and then maybe go in person, you can definitely do that. If you desire a living experience that combines elegance and convenience, Hanover Autry Park is the place for you. Contact us to take an in-depth look of the amenities and floor plans that could soon be a part of your everyday life. Next, we have Regent Square, a dynamic and bustling community that seamlessly blends residential, retail, and entertainment. The promise here is not just a home, it's a lifestyle. Let's uncover the magic behind Regent Square. So you can see a little bit of Regent Square's website here. And we can check out here the residential for sure. The Sterling at Regent Square, retail and restaurant. This compound actually has a lot of restaurants and it's always very vibrant. It's a really vibrant community for sure. So they also have the retail and restaurant portion of it. So they mention it here in their website that provides exceptional retail and restaurant entertainment opportunities. So you can see they have 55,000 square feet for retail, 700,000 square feet for residential, and 326 on-grade retail parking. You can see more here how the plan looks. And let's see if we can get some pictures. Here we go. This is the Sterling. This is the lobby of the Sterling. This is right outside the Sterling. Here's where all the restaurants are and other types of businesses. So this is one of the homes for sure in the Sterling. And here we have the view of the pool and everything that they have to offer. So as you can see, Regent Square isn't just a development, it's a destination. Explore the diverse living options, trendy retail spaces, and vibrant cultural experiences that await you. Visit their website to envision yourself in the heart of this thriving community. Now let's talk about the Allen, an urban oasis that brings luxury living to new heights. With exclusive penthouses, this development is not just a residence, it's an experience. Let's delve into what sets the Allen apart. The Allen is where sophistication meets style, where it's the breathtaking residences or the world-class amenities. This development promises a life of unparalleled luxury. Discover more on their website and see why the Allen is the epitome of refined living right across Buffalo Bayou Park. For those seeking a home close to a landmark or cultural significance, the Ismaili Center is a true gem in the heart of Houston. It's expected to finish construction in 2025. This landmark will be located in the Montrose River Oak neighborhood. Let's explore the unique blend of architecture and community at the Ismaili Center. So this Ismaili Center that's being built is actually it's the first one of its kind that's being built in the United States, and it's going to be here in Houston. Let's see. You can see some of the pictures. Here's the location. So this is going to be a truly remarkable development. The Ismaili Center is a symbol of unity and understanding. If you're looking for a place that reflects your values, explore their website and watch a linked video to understand the significance of this remarkable development.
We are at the Ismaili Center in Houston. As you can see, there's construction all around me. This will be the first Ismaili Center in the United States of America and follows those in London, Vancouver, Lisbon, Dubai, Dushanbe, and Toronto. Nestled in the beautiful Buffalo Bayou watershed, a stone's throw from the heart of downtown Houston, the Ismaili Center is envisioned to be a hub for social and cultural gatherings, intellectual exchanges, moments of reflection, and spiritual contemplation. It will be a place where Houstonians of all backgrounds, faiths, and walks of life will participate in thoughtful programs and meaningful exchanges, where ideas will be shared, explored, and celebrated.
The Memorial Park expansion is a testament to Houston's commitment to green living. If you're someone who values outdoor activities and a connection to nature, explore the master plan on the Memorial Park Conservancy website. Houston's residential scene is buzzing with excitement, and two developments that are making waves are 1661 Tanglewood and Hawthorne Tanglewood. Let's explore these exceptional living spaces. So the first one we're going to show you is 1661 Tanglewood. As you can see, they have a really nice residence for sure. This 1661 Tanglewood stands 34 stories above the historic neighborhood of Tanglewood and the Uptown District. It's really well located for sure. You can see some more of the website and everything this building has to offer. And now let's check out the Hawthorne. They have here the story as to why they actually named it the Hawthorne. So you can check that out as well. It says the Hawthorne, so named for Nathaniel Hawthorne's, author of the Tanglewood Tales. Will give future homeowners the comfort of 5-star service while offering 360 degrees expansive views. Let's see some of their pictures. You can see their pool. It's a lap pool. Cabanas. This is the penthouse residence interior. Let's see some more. You can see the kitchen here. It's a nice space kitchen. One of the bedrooms and the beautiful walk-in closet. So yeah, if you want to see more of this, you can definitely contact us. Last but certainly not least, we have East River, a transformative development along Houston's waterfront. If you're envisioning a life with breathtaking views and modern comforts, East River might just be the right place for you. So we can see in their website, they have a directory for all the restaurants, shops, different things they have to offer, wellness. And you can check it out all on their website. So from commercial spaces to the Laura Apartments, East River is a community that's shaping the future of Houston's living. Visit their website for more information on their excitement development and available residential options.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. And remember, whether you're leasing or thinking of investing in any of the areas that we have showed you today, please, you can comment down below or you can contact us. We'll be more than happy to hear from you. Till next time.